We have been telling you about a neck firming and hydration cream that promises to rid those wrinkles. Fitness and beauty and anti-aging expert Kim Marie Ross showed you how easily it worked.
Now Kim is back with us today with 2 new products to help the aging battle. So welcome back to the show. How you doing?
I am doing well, thank you. It's good to be back here.
Yes.
It's good to have you back.
Especially with 2 new products.
Yeah,
really excited.
But for those who missed our first interview with you, can we start with the neck firming cream?
Yeah, absolutely. Because you know what? You love this. It has been going really well, so I've actually been able to keep it at the intro price for a little bit longer. But I started with the neck firming and hydration cream because as we age, and I am pushing 60 now, our neck and our décolleté is the area that you notice aging the most. Like we look in the mirror one day and we go, what is going on?
Yeah.
I mean, this starts as early as 40, and it just gets worse after menopause. So I wanted to come out with the power-hitting one, the neck firming and hydration cream. But the reality is that this skin and the skin under our eyes, around our eyes, our eyelids up to our eyebrows is the thinnest skin on our entire body.
Wow.
So the eye cream, I Am Beautiful, is something I brought today, and it has a powerhouse of anti-aging ingredients. But I really, what I want to share first though, my mission with this is not just to be some other skincare company. I wanted to make sure that it was nature and US made. My manufacturer brings products to hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies all over the world. So this is pure, clean ingredients. And I wanted it to be affordable. So I've accomplished that with all of this. So we're still keeping it at the $19.95 option for this for a little bit longer for the neck cream. Now the eye cream, oh my gosh. Okay, so this will last about 2 months. It has hyaluronic acid, caffeine, chicory root, vitamin E, vitamin C, and green tea, and a whole host of natural botanicals all in here. And also, well, it's super, super affordable. But nature and USA made. So what some of these key ingredients do, because especially formulated, I wanted to pick all the ingredients that could really tackle all the areas. And chicory root is actually a big one that not a lot of people are talking about yet, but it is a powerhouse ingredient. And most people know about caffeine. Super duper. And hyaluronic acid, it holds the moisture in your skin, which is very important. So it is going to target the crepiness of the skin, the real thin, but also you start to get wrinkles on your eyelids.
And then you can tell with your eyeshadow because it doesn't go on as nicely.
So annoying. That happened to me. I don't know when, but I'm like, really, this happens too? You get it all. But this is going to tackle that as well. So from puffy eyes, the baggy eyes, the discoloration. So those ingredients combined are tackling all the issues around the eye.
That's fantastic. Can I ask you a question? When do you use it? Is it in the morning? Is it at night?
Okay, so you want to put it on in the morning, clean face, morning, and then you wash your face at night, put it on. And of course, then you're putting your neck cream on. It's neck cream, but the name is changing soon because we get so many reviews. Like people are using it all, and I have always used it all the way down to my décolleté. So you put just with your ring finger, tap it on. It takes a very tiny amount, and then put your neck firming and hydration cream on the rest. And you are set to go. I actually sometimes put it on a third time just in the middle of the day. I just pass it on. Because again, I'm pushing 60, so it's a battle. It's a battle, women, isn't it?
Well, you look incredible.
So,
and then you have this product.
Love, love, love this. So this is great. You can do this all throughout the day. So it is, it's got several, we'll have the ingredients you can look at on the website, what they do, but you actually take it, and I just like, after I get done playing pickleball, I'm in my car at a red light, you go around like the lip lines, and then where you start to see those fine lines and wrinkles, anywhere the marionette lines, the frown lines. So you just roll it on. So you don't even have to have a mirror. You're just like putting it on. And it looks like a lip balm, but it's not. It is loaded with, again, a powerhouse of anti-aging ingredients. Now I also use it on my lips because our lips get wrinkly too on the inside, and then the lipstick doesn't look as smooth anymore. So I actually have this on under my lipstick right now, and I just keep it with me. Nightstand, the car, my vanity at home, it's there because I want to be able to grab it and just quickly put it on around where the little vertical lines start to happen.
And that's why you made it like this. You can keep it in your purse, in your car.
Just keep it
easy to grab.
Easy to grab. But back to the eye cream.
Yeah.
This is I Am Beautiful. And this one, ladies, you really, really want to have because it is just loaded with everything you need, every issue happening around your eyes.
Incredible. Now, 3X3 has a great deal for GDL viewers, yes?
Yes, I came with a beauty bundle.
Yeah.
I say jump into that $19.95 option on the neck cream. You're going to want to have that for the face as well. But $49, you're going to get the I Am Beautiful, the neck firming and hydration cream, and you are going to get the eye and lip repair wrinkle stick. All of it for $49.
Wow.
That's amazing.
For a limited time, though.
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you so much for
Thank
and
you.
congratulations on the new
know.
products.
Thank you so
Truly.
much. Thank you.
All right, and we want to tell you again, if you want to find out more about 3X3 Beauty, just head to 3x3beauty.com for all the products and the bundle deal that Kim just talked about.